Hi there, it's Alyssa from Domestic Heights. So I'm going to show you how to use Cricut Design Space to customize vinyl decals for your Starbucks cup. So I have a set of free templates here that I've already uploaded. So as it turns out, the Starbucks logo is not a perfect circle, and so what I have here is the a couple things. First, the base that is the outline of the logo, and then a couple of rings around the logo that are sized appropriately for that particular shape. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is we're going to make some Mickey Mouse ears, and um, so you want to measure your particular cup and reset the size of the base logo to the dimensions of your of your cup. So after you do that, then we're going to use the shapes tool and create a circle, and we want to unlock the proportions and make this just ever so slightly into sort of like an ellipse. Okay, and then we're going to rotate it ever so slightly and probably make it a little bit smaller. Okay. And then you want to select both the base face shape and the ear, and you want to slice the two. So now we have an ear that has an outline that is that contours the middle face logo. So then we want to duplicate this, put it on the other side. I'm going to flip horizontal, and then might want to center a line, center vertically, and depending on if you want a little spacing or not a whole lot of spacing, that's really up to you. And then you want to attach this, and now the ears are all set. All right, so if you want to turn this into Minnie Mouse, then you can add a bow. And the way you do that is you take the bow from the template set. Here, let's just move this for the time being. There's a couple ways you can do this. So you can put it together and then weld and just sort of let that be. I like to have a base black layer of vinyl and then layer on a separate bow. So let's just put that on front. So you can put this on top, and then you can place a colored layer on top of your base black outline. You can just do that and have only the top show up. And those are your two layers for making a mini. So let's put this aside. So let's say you want to write something. So I have Mommy Fuel right here. If you just want to write, a name, coffee down here. In this case, we're going to use the text tool. Let's see. Actually, can't spell Caitlin, apparently. No, I can't. Okay, so we're going to use the text tool to create your name or whatever text you want, and this is going to go on the top arch right here. So I found that actually Arial font, this Arial black in all caps, looks the closest to the actual Starbucks look. So you just want to resize it such that the top letters, fits into the ring. And of course, you want to resize this ring to the proportions of your logo. You want to do that, and then we're going to use the curve drop down menu. and just start curving it. A little too much. Until you sort of get it to align. This is not perfect. I'll probably, if I was to do this real, I would just manually update this and see if, nope. Okay. And then you can do this again. Let's just duplicate this so that we have the same exact size. And here we want to go in the opposite direction and bend it upwards. And then after everything is set, you just want to attach everything in place so that, well, it depends on how you want to cut it. So you attach it in place if you want to cut out these letters, or you make the base and make the letters a separate layer in whatever color you want on top. And that's it.